back there. Look back there. And then, because there might be a couple presents for you. There's this one, but we're going to have to wait to get that one. So we'll get that one last. And this one, I want Santa, mine, and P.
You get quite a pile there, Maddie.
Okay, this is both of us.
My gosh.
My legs.
What is wrong
I'm
with you?
sure this is American Girl. My leg. Did you wake Grandma? Awoke Grandma. You woke her up?
Mm-hmm.
We can wake her up. Grandma. Yeah, we can. You teased it too hard.
Oh my gosh.
I got her!
Which one?
They just like me, though!
Oh my gosh.
Up your stairs.
We're good.
Brett, why don't you give me the doll?
You got Jade.
Brett, give me the doll.
I got Jade. Mommy, look, I got Jade.
Oh my gosh.
No reason to put two up for Jade.
Dog's fashion. Oh my gosh.
Dog's fashion.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hannah Montana.
You got it. I think that's your mom's.
Oh.
Thanks.
That's Mommy's.
I was in my pile.
Well, we must have got the wrong pile. Here you go. Merry Christmas.
Madison opened one of your presents.
What is that?
Barbie doll.
Oh my gosh.
I think you guys have enough Barbies to float. Okay, bring it here and I'll help you.
It's taped.
Okay, bring it here.
She's your presents.
How do you open it?
Well, Brett, help her.
Let's take the bow off. Ready? Go. Hey!
Whoa!
A big gumball machine!
Ah!
Jeez!
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so who's rolling and putting this in?
A real gumball machine. One we put in the basement.
Cool.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Let's put it in the car.
What is that? Open it up.
Ooh. Brittany, look.
Open it up.
I'm opening it.
Press the little button down the bottom left.
Is it an iPod?
It's an MP3 player with the video
Going,
and
Maddie.
everything.
It's an iPod! That's only that. iPod!
Wait till it starts up. And look what it has on it.
Oh, here, do I have to scroll it? Oh, there we go.
You got one too, Maddie?
Hi, this is my American Girl doll, Brittany. Your dog, and a green dog coconut.